Hello and happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Dear viewers, Raksha Bandhan celebrates the special bond between a brother and sister. And I pray to God that my bond with my brother keeps on growing stronger by each passing year. And my prayer is for all of you also out there. As teachers, please do explain the importance of Raksha Bandhan in our culture and how valuable bond it is that is of a siblings. Let's begin with the activity ideas that I am here to suggest you. I hope you would like these ideas. Before I begin, it's just a small request, teachers. Do shower your love and do share the videos that you like with other teachers. And I really put a lot of hard work. I think a lot and try to be creative as per the children's age and mood, the era they are in, so that they enjoy these activities. There might be a chance many of the YouTubers are copying this content and then putting it in the same way, or but just by twisting it here and there. So I try to keep it unique for you. So please show some love by liking and subscribing to my channel Yearn to Learn. Thank you, and let's begin. My first idea is fun click. Click a funny pic with your sibling and send to your teacher. This is a very simple activity that you can take with pre-primary children also. But if your children are slight older, what you can do, you can ask them to give captions to the pics that they are sharing with you. So a picture, it should be a fun click. If it's a boy, then boy has to click with with his sister, and if it's a girl, then with her brother. And please do announce, thinking that some children may be single children, they may not have siblings, so tell them that they can get it clicked with any of their cousins, and if not, they can ask any of their family members to pretend like the child's sibling, so that the child doesn't feel left out. It's really a fun activity, and you will be smiling like this when you would see children's pic coming to you. The second idea is tie a Raksha Sutra. This you may also call it as a Vriksha Bandhan. So Raksha Sutra is more like a pledge. So it's giving another angle to Raksha Bandhan festival. Tie a Rakhi to a tree and take a pledge to save trees. Click a pic and send to your teacher. So Raksha is not just for brother and sisters. Why not use it for our environment also, for trees also, who give everything to us, including the oxygen which is indispensable for us to breathe. The third activity idea is handprints. Now there are two versions that you can take it in. First, take handprints on a white paper and get it framed. One handprint of brother and one of sister. Or if there are two brothers or two sisters or any of the cousins, if the child is a single child, so on a sheet of paper, one handprint of one child and the other of the other child. So they can get it framed and it would be a beautiful memory. They can always write date with it so that they know at what time they made this memory. It's beautiful if children are young, small handprints on the paper. Or what you can do is, they can take two t-shirts, white or any light color t-shirt, and again one handprint of brother and one handprint of sister. And this is how, if children are a bit older, you can ask them to write something, maybe just a quote about brother or sister, just a word, their names, anything, to make it more creative and unique. Don't forget to take the pictures of this one also. It looks lovely. Activity 4. As you can see, these are DIY Rakhis. Although this is a very common activity, a classic one, but then children enjoy it even today. So it's basically Rakhi craft. Make a Rakhi in the online or offline class. Teacher shall give the list of the material required prior. Whatever decoration material you want, dory, small mirrors, glitters, fevicol, scissors, whatever form. So whatever you need for the class, please inform the children beforehand through whatever medium you use for communication, and seek parental help here, because using scissors may not be right for young children. So as you find it fit, please have Rakhi craft in your class. Fifth activity is don a chef's hat. Now what you can do is you can send the message for material required for whatever dish you are going to cover in your class, and seek parents' assistance. So it would be no fire cooking, and it could be anything. Let children prepare something with their own hands and relish the same with their brother or sister, like coconut laddus, sandwich, sprouts. So anything, you let them know beforehand if you're taking sprouts, that what sprouts they need, or and what vegetables they should have, maybe onion, tomato, chaat masala, and boiled potatoes I've covered. So whatever things you need for that, lemon, salt. So you can tell the ingredients that they would need prior to the class, and they will prepare it by their own hands by mixing it, and they'll share it with the sibling. So the key is to share the food that they are preparing with their sibling. So any of the things you can take up. The next idea is the sixth one, poetry recitation. Now, poetry recitation can be a simple activity or a competition. So recite a poem on my brother or my sister. As per the level of the child, you can have more things. If the children are young, they can have any 4-liners if they're too young, and if they're elder, you can go in for a self-composed poem or an acrostic poem, whatever you wish. So you can have this sort of activity. Coming to activity number 7. Now this activity is bring me your sibling's favorite toy. It's a hit among the preschool children, nursery, KG, kindergarten. You can take very easily, or even the elder ones. Now what? See, the point is, what is the thing that you're asking the child to bring the sibling's favorite toy? But the thing is, the child needs to think first what is there that the sibling likes first. Second, whether the sibling is allowing the child at that particular time to take that toy to show it to the teacher or not. Usually they would allow, because they know online class is going on. Yet, this is another form of bonding with their brother or sister they'll explore at this time, and they may get to the thinking what they like and what they don't like. And after this, you may have a small discussion asking them, why do you think this is your brother's or sister's favorite toy? If they would like to speak 2-3 lines on it, or do you also like this toy? So you can have some conversation starters here. You can take it in the beginning, and you can have your class open by this particular thing. So this is how I have covered 7 activities. I hope you would like these activities, and this is the time for shout outs. The shout outs for this video are: thank you, and once again, happy Raksha Bandhan to all of you. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Yearn to learn. This is Priya Handa signing off. May God bless you all.